Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss Accountancy Chapter 1. In previous class, we have discussed sum number 6 and 7. It comes under Statement of Affairs method. We just recall Statement of Affairs. It is nothing but a resemble like a balance sheet. So this statement of affairs is prepared to find out the capital. Now we are going to discuss exercise sum 8. Raju does not keep proper books of accounts. Following details are given from his record. So here there are two informations are given. First information related to 1st January 2018. Then second information related to 31st December 2018. So this 1st January 2018 indicates opening information. Then 31st December 2018 it denotes closing information. So in your question, two things are given. One is opening information and closing information. By using this opening and closing information, we are going to find out the capital. Here, what are the informations given? Cash at bank, stock of goods, debtors, sundry creditors, bank loan, bills payable, plant and machinery. So first, we have to identify what are the assets and liabilities. So cash at bank is an asset. Then stock of goods also comes under asset. Debtors also comes under asset. Then plant and machinery comes under assets. So here sundry creditor, bank loan, bills payable comes under liabilities. So sundry creditors, bank loan, bills payable comes under liability side. Then here additional information is given. During the year, he introduced further capital of rupees 50,000. So this further capital is nothing but a additional capital, and he withdraw rupees 2,500 per month. So this statement we are preparing for per annum, but in your question he withdraw rupees 2,500 per month is given. So we have to convert into per annum, per year. It means 2,500 into 12. So this withdraw is nothing but a drawings. So here clearly given per month from the business for his personal use. By using this information, we are going to prepare statement of profit or loss. So in this sum, we are going to prepare three things. One is statement of affairs for opening by using opening balance. Then again we are going to prepare statement of affairs for closing balance. By using this opening balance and closing balance, we will get opening capital and closing capital. By using this opening capital and closing capital, we are going to find out statement of profit or loss. Now we are going to see the solution. In the books of Raju, calculation of opening capital. First we are going to find out opening capital. So first you have to write the heading statement of affairs as on 1st January 2018. So this statement of affairs is prepared by using this opening information. Using this opening information. So in asset side, cash at bank, stock, cash at bank 80,000, stock 1,80,000, debtors 90,000, plant and machinery 1,70,000. So these are the information related to opening balance. Then in liability side, we are going to enter, there are three liabilities. One is sundry creditors 1,30,000, bills payable 80,000, bank loan 60,000. Then you have to add all assets 80,000, 1,80,000, 90,000, 1,70,000. So asset side total is 1,20,000. Then next we are going to add liability side total 1,30,000, 1,30,000 plus 80,000, 2,10,000, then 2,10,000 plus 60,000, 2,70,000. So 5,20,000 minus 2,70,000. So your opening capital is 2,50,000. So here you are going to apply equation. The equation is capital equal to assets minus liabilities. First we have to add all assets, then you have to add all liabilities, then you have to apply the equation assets minus liability, you will get capital. When you are using opening information means you will get opening capital. So opening capital is 2,50,000. Then next we are going to prepare calculation of closing capital. Again we are going to prepare statement of affairs as on 31st December 2018. It means closing, we are going to find out the closing capital. So in previous statement of affairs, it is related to opening information. statement of affairs as on 1st January 2018. So we will get opening capital 2,50,000. Now we are going to prepare uh, closing capital. The same thing will also appear in the closing capital, but the amount will be vary. For closing capital, you have to take closing. When you are going to calculate the closing capital, you have to take closing information 31st December 2018. You have to take only closing information. You have to take only closing information. The other things are same. So first you have to add all assets 90,000 plus 1,40,000 plus 2 lakh plus 1,70,000. So asset side total is 6 lakhs. Then next you have to add liability side. Sunday creditor is 1,95,000 plus 1,95,000 plus 45,000, you will get 2,40,000 plus 60,000. The liability side total is 3 lakhs. Then you are going to apply the equation capital equal to assets minus liability. So asset side total is 6 lakhs minus liability side total. So if you add all the liability, you will get 3 lakhs. So 6 lakhs minus 3 lakh, you will get the closing capital of rupees 3 lakhs. So now we have found opening capital 2,50,000 by using opening information. Then another thing is we have found closing capital by using closing information. Next we are going to find out profit or loss. Statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st December 31st March 2018. So here you have to write 31st December 2018. The format is same, students. So there is a format for statement of profit or loss. What is the format? First thing is you have to write closing capital plus drawings minus additional capital. Then we will get adjusted closing capital. Then less opening capital. Then we will get profit or loss. So first we are going to substitute the value closing capital. Where it is, student? So this closing capital already found in statement of affairs. The closing capital is 3 lakhs. So you have to substitute closing capital is 3 lakhs. Then second step is you have to add drawings. So in your question, withdraw for personal use is given. The amount is 2,500 per month. We are going to prepare profit or loss for year, that is per annum. So you have to multiply into 12. Per month means you have to multiply into 12. If it is in your question per annum given means no need to multiply into 12. So 2,500 into 12. So you will get 30,000. So 3 lakhs plus 30,000, you will get 3 lakh 30,000. Next step, you have to less additional capital. So additional capital also given in a question as a further capital. So the further capital is 2, further capital is 50,000. So 3 lakh 30,000 minus 50,000, you will get adjusted closing capital is 2 lakh 80,000. Then next step is you have to less opening capital. So this opening capital already we have found by using opening information. The opening capital is 2 lakh 50,000. So 2 lakh 80,000 minus 2 lakh 50,000 is called as a profit. The adjusted closing capital is more than the opening capital means profit, less than means loss. Likewise, we have found profit or loss. So in this sum, we are going to work it out in 3 parts. One is statement of affairs as on 1st January 2018. We are going to take all the opening information while preparing opening capital. When you are preparing closing capital, we are going to take all closing information 31st/12/2018. By using this capital, we are going to find out profit or loss. Kindly note it down in your classwork, students. Exercise sum number 8. Thank you, students.